when it's dark outside? Well, you're looking at the engine because Bill Brett and the smoke thunder jet-powered dragsters will light up the nighttime sky. In the era of Airshow, going back to about 30 years, there was a resurgence of high-speed jet vehicles that were getting popular at Airshow. Now, no airshows throughout the U.S. and Canada is complete without a vehicle followed by one or two or three jet engines that is not required at the show and capable of going over 300 miles per hour in about a 7-second time period down the runway without taking off with hope. But this type of activity goes back 100 years in the Airshow exhibition realm. Back then when Lincoln Beatty and Bonnie Oldfield in 1914 toured the country racing aircraft against cars. Bonnie Oldfield was the most famous of race drivers and 100 horsepower EAA racers. And his primitive, open-cockpit biplane. And they thrilled audiences 130 performances at state fairs, at horse racing, and county fairs, any place where they had racing. Because it was fast. And 100 years later, in the year 2014, with a new generation of high-powered jet vehicles capable of accelerating to 300 miles an hour and over, we are still thrilling crowds with speed in the air and on the ground. And in this last resurgence of fast vehicles on the ground, this was the vehicle that started it all again. Put together by Scott Hammock out in Corona, California. A very experienced jet drag racer who was asked to come to Airshow, put on an exhibition, and that started the whole new stretch. All right, get ready. He's going to unleash that jet power. Put it in after. Slow it down until about 80 to 100 miles an hour when it's okay. Put it in the brakes. Otherwise, they will burn out. The support vehicle taking off would not make sure there's not any residual fuel in the tailpipe or that any of the drone's huge harness cables did not get hooked up in it.